Hey, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's important to keep some spice in our lives, and that's why I really love this CycleMore spice jar set. The reason why I really liked it is we cook a lot here. I love a variety of different types of spices. I like to do a bunch of different types of cuisine from India, Asian, African, Mediterranean. I love it all. So I have so many spices. So I like to easily be able to grab it as I cook, and these really make a big difference. I just put a little shelf above my oven and these fit perfectly on them. They do come with labels so that you can put it on here and write by hand or even print on there what each spice is. I personally just like the look of the glass jars, and I just have a little label just to remind me on the bottom or for the rest of the family to know what it is. Everything's so uniform. You don't have different heights or widths of types of spices, different labels or different looking lids. It comes with great little lids that allow you to control how much spice, if you want a little bit or a lot, and then you can just pop these off and fill it up whenever you need. I think it's great for anybody if they love a variety of spices, but they also want things to look nice. If it's something that's out in the open, I think this is a really great solution, and that's my point of view.